Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another video on how-to home repair. This is just a quick one I thought I'd put up of disassembling a box, a toolbox that I had built on the back of my pickup. And as I disassembled it, I thought I'd take a couple videos and play them in reverse. So this has, I built the initial structure with wood pieces here. These are 1x2s. There's a couple 2x4s in there, but mostly skinnier pieces of lumber. I secured them into the box itself and bolted them down to the truck bed. And once I had that kind of like a foundation, I connected the vertical and horizontal pieces. All the frame itself that's some of the lumber that I've taken off. But all the frame itself, the door, you see that's like a door right there in the back of the tailgate, and then a little overhang just to keep the water out when I was going in and out of the box. And you'll see I have shelves in here, a roof with that little light. Now this is some of the thin paneling wood that I put on there initially to just enclose it. And you see the shelving there that I was talking about. And I put the pieces there, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves there. That's where I was keeping all my tools. And I put a little angle piece there to try to make it a little aerodynamic right there at the top. That's the overhang that I was talking about. This right here is the door. And I really wanted something that I could stand in without having to bend over. I just really don't like, bending over for the tools and things like that and carrying heavy stuff. So now this is another wood panel you see there. I'm coming around here to the front. That's that little angle I made to try to make it kind of aerodynamic. Then I put roofing paneling, that metal panel, that's what that is. The panels that they sell at any big box store. And I used the metal roofing panels for the exterior. There you can see I was just starting to pry that off. Then I secured them with the metal screws that have the little rubber gasket on them to make it completely water resistant. On the angles there, I just used the regular, angles that you can buy at your... Well, this might be something you want to try if you think you have a use for, having a thing like a camper or something for your tools or supplies on the back of your pickup. Thanks for watching this, guys. Give it a like if you enjoyed that. I hope you subscribe to my channel to help me out. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.